Alright, it is March 7th in the year of our Lord 2008. Anyway, I am just south of Columbus, Ohio. Enjoying me some global warming here. Just driving through the global warming. Way to earn that Nobel Peace Prize there, Al Gore. But anyway, yeah, we're supposed to be getting about 14 inches of global warming here in the Columbus area. Myself, I'm on the way to Georgia, just outside of Atlanta, where I hear they're going to be experiencing a little bit of global warming down there. Not as bad as this, but just, you know, little flurries of global warming. Anyway, yep. God, I love science, huh? Thank you, Al Gore. Alright, well, I will keep you updated as I'm rolling along. Next update will be in Jeffersonville, Ohio, where I'm stopping to get fuel. Unless, of course, I see a really cool accident or something first. Which, the way these idiots drive here in Ohio, that wouldn't surprise me. Oh, we got something up here. Looks like it's just, sorry about that little focus thing. Looks like it's just a car that went off the road, that's all. Nothing major. Oh, yeah, the Explorer. He passed me a little while ago. Doing about, I don't know, 45, 50 on these roads. Everybody else doing about 25, 30. But, you know, hey, when you got four-wheel drive, that means ain't nothing going to stop you, not even snow and ice, I guess. Until the snow and ice stops you. But, anyway, we'll see what's on up ahead. We're now entering Madison County, Ohio, south of Columbus. On our way to Georgia. Yeah, there's another one that went in the median. Yep, I'm south of Jeffersonville and Washington Courthouse, stopped and got fuel. So then in the parking lot that I almost got stuck, I was actually told by the police that I'd probably be better if I just stopped, but figured I'd see what's going on. There definitely aren't as many trucks on the road now, and I probably would have been a lot better off if I would have stopped. But, you know, all we can do is try and see. Averaging about 40 miles an hour on the interstate, which isn't great, but it's better than what I thought we'd be averaging up to this section. Haven't seen too many vehicles off the road, one or two. Just past where there was a police car, two vehicles, and a flatbed tow truck. But it didn't look like, yeah, it looked like one was just kind of in the median a little bit. There's somebody parked to the side, but doesn't look like an accident. No plate on the car, so it looks like an abandoned vehicle. So anyway, hopefully it'll get better as I'm going south. I was told that it clears up around Lexington, Kentucky, so we'll see. Alright, fellow drivers, you will appreciate the stupidity of this. Snowy roads, slippery, swift bobtail, thinking he's a better driver than everybody else. We shall see something, I'm sure, up ahead from him. I'll be surprised if we don't. And for those of you that don't drive, yeah, bobtail when you don't have a trailer, worse. Wet road conditions like this are the worst thing to drive that thing in. But that's a swift driver for you. Yeah, JB Hunt super trucking through the storm. Almost sideswiped me. Let's see. Trailer number JBHU222 675 on 71 South. I'll have a mile marker here in a second, but yeah, he almost sideswiped me. That was some good quality driving. You'd think when everybody's going a certain speed, somebody'd get a clue. Got mile marker 43, so he almost sideswiped me at about 44, going southbound on 71. They're flying ahead of us. There's this truck in front of me. Trailer is Equity. Let's see, Nations Contract Carrier, looks like. Doing a fantastic job maintaining a decent speed and a decent distance with the vehicles in front of them on these conditions. I got a Kroger truck behind me too who's doing a phenomenal job. But these Swift and JB trucks have to fly ahead of us in this weather and just to basically sit in front of this guy in front of me because they'd rather go the same speed in front of us than behind us, I guess. A snowplow on the side of the road. It's a school bus that's been tailgating me for a while in the snow. And here he is finally passing me. Plug bus service. Yeah, this is a good kind of weather to be tailgating people in. Especially if you're a school bus because, you know, hey, you're a bus, you can get away with that sort of thing. Well, that was one of the cars that passed us earlier. Yipper. Gotta love it. Well, the police are definitely earning their paychecks this week. And for them short bus people out there just flying through this, way to earn that parking space. In Cincinnati, little accident up here on the left. Doesn't look too bad. It's like the lady just spun and hit the connector. They're going kind of decent through Cincinnati. The roads are a little clearer here. Looks like the plows and everybody in town has been kind of keeping up on the roads, which is very good. And, there's an accident ahead, according to the radio, in Kentucky. We'll see. I'm kind of worried about the bridge going from Ohio into Kentucky, but we'll just have to see how it is. Shouldn't be too bad though. Surprisingly, I mean the road's almost deserted for this time of day. It's we should be in evening rush hour traffic, and it's almost like it's the middle of the night. There are so few cars out here, but we'll see. Hopefully it gets better as I go farther south. Keep you updated. Hey, looks like we got an accident on 75 South. Oh yeah. It's an accident, alright. Debris in the road. Oh yeah, that looked like it hurt. Well, it's just in Kentucky, just south of where 71-75 splits. On 75, looks like mile marker 166. Yep, this is a heck of a storm. A lot of accidents, a lot of people just driving crazy through here. But thank God it looks like he was okay. So, fortunately, that was the worst accident I've seen so far. And we just pray that nobody gets killed in this storm. And the way some of these people are driving, I don't know. God's going to be busy keeping people safe.